Ramzan special mutton dum biryani recipe. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So without wasting time, let's see how to make this delicious mutton dum biryani recipe. So first step is to make birista or fried onions. Take 5 sliced onions, take enough oil in a kadai and deep fry the onions till they are brown and crispy. Next, I have taken about 3/4 kg of basmati rice. Let it soak in water for about 30 minutes. Next step is to marinate the mutton. Here I have taken 1 kg of mutton, clean and wash thoroughly. Next, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 3 to 4 green chilies, half cup of curd, two tablespoons of homemade biryani masala powder, squeeze half a lemon, handful of mint leaves, bunch of finely chopped coriander leaves, birista or fried onions 1 cup, salt to taste, two tablespoons of desi ghee. Here I have used homemade ghee. Mix everything together and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. If you have time, marinate for 3 to 4 hours. Next, take a big pot or any big vessel. Add some garam masalas to bay leaf, cardamom, star anise, green cardamom, black cardamom, cumin seeds, chopped coriander leaves, oil and salt. Let it comes to the boil. And add soaked rice and cook the rice up to 90% done. Next, take a pressure cooker, add 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, start placing marinated mutton. First, cook it for about 5 minutes on high flame. Now add half glass of water to it and then close the lid and cook it for about 5 to 6 whistles on medium-high flame. Now mutton is cooked well. Since this is little watery, we will cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on high flame till you get thick gravy. Next, take a small glass with milk in it and add yellow food color. Mix well. And keep it aside. Next, we are going to layer the biryani. I have taken a nice deep pot with good height. First, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee and the first layer is going to be rice. Add the cooked basmati rice and spread it evenly. Next, add the cooked mutton. Few coriander leaves and mint leaves. Add birista. Now we will add prepared food color. Similarly, we will make second layer. Once the second layer is done, last layer of rice. Food color, every corner, middle and everywhere. Coriander leaves and mint leaves. Add birista. And finally, I am going to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee on the top of the biryani. So layering step also done. Now we will close the pot. You can also seal with aluminium foil or take a chapati dough and seal it nicely, and then keep on gas on low flame and dum it for about 15 minutes. My pot has the bottom. If you are using normal one, then place a tawa and that's it. The mutton dum biryani is ready to be served. You can have this with raita, salad or any side dish and all. So I am wishing you all happy Ramzan and enjoy Ramzan with this mutton biryani.